Hello everyone, my name's Ethan and this is the Valleys Code Club YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at some of the games on code.org, which is a really good website to use if you're starting to look into some coding stuff. I've used some of these coding games in some of my code clubs that I've run in the community and they've worked really well. In the last video we looked at Minecraft Education. That's a little bit different to this. You don't need to download or install anything for this. You just need a browser. So that'll be today's video and let's get started. Okay, so to get yourself started, if you can load up a browser, whether that's Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, load up Google or whatever you're using, and then if we type in code.org/Minecraft, it should load up for you. And here we have it. Okay, so this is the page that you landed on if you watched the last video, where if you scroll down you can download and install the Education Edition. We won't be looking at that today, that's in the last video I done, so if you want to go and have a look at that, feel free to. So these are the games here that I want to look at today. There's different levels and different things you can do depending on your experience. So today I'll just show you a little bit of the Minecraft Adventure one. So if you click on that there, it then has a short video that you can watch if you want at home. It just explains a little bit about the people at Microsoft and how they have come into making some games for the Hour of Code. I won't be looking at that. So then you get to choose a character, whether you want to use Steve or Alex is completely up to you. So then you go into the tutorial then. You've got the Minecraft music in the background, which is pretty iconic. So at the top it's got add a second move forward block to reach the step. So it's very similar to Scratch, where you just drag and drop the box in from the left. So if we go ahead and click OK, and I'll drag across move forward and then type run. So that's your stage area over here. So whatever code you put in on the right, you'll see it happen in the left once you click the run. Okay, so now we've completed the first level, we can go on to the second level by clicking continue. You can always replay it if you want, just to make sure that you understand fully what you've just done through adding the blocks of code in. So at the top then we've got a scenario of what we need to do with the blocks of code. So wood is a very important resource, many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use the destroy block command to chop it down. So in the usual Minecraft you build an axe and you chop down some wood to build other tools and stuff. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to start to chop down the tree. So if you move forward 2 blocks, because you can see from the grid here we need to go forward 2, so I'll add in move forward 2 and then a destroy block, and I think that should work. Yep, and that's exactly what happens in Minecraft. So I've just finished that level now and it's on to the next one. So we can move on to the third one now. I won't go through all of them, I can just let you go through them all if you want to. So sheep shearing time, use the shear command to gather wool from both sheep. Okay, so we can see here from the grid, which means that each block is 1 move per square. So I can see I need 2 here on the run, there we are. And then we need the shear option because we would be there, and then we need to shear that sheep. We need to then turn to the right, sorry, make sure I get this right, and then move forward 1 and then another shear. Now if I'm right, that should work, hopefully it does. Yep, 1 and then 2. So that's the third one done now. If you want to carry on and work your way through up until, I think there's around 10 or 15 levels, at the end then you should have the option to print out your own certificate with your own name on it. So it's a really good way, you know, if you feel that this has been a real challenge and you want to print that out and frame it and put it on your wall, yeah, that's a good thing to do, to reward yourself a bit, to show that you've been able to work your way through this on your own. Okay, so hopefully now you've been able to complete the Minecraft Adventure on the top right, and you've got your certificate and you've been able to share it and print it out and stuff. That's really cool that you can do that. The other two are the Minecraft Voyages and the Minecraft Journey. So these are a bit more complex compared to the Minecraft Adventure. So I'll just take a quick look at the Minecraft Heroes Journey now. So again, there's another video just explaining a bit of what this is about and how the developers have been able to make the game and stuff. So you can watch that when you like. Again, you get to pick your characters, so I'll choose Steve for this one. So as you can see on the left, it's a bit more complex than what's in the environment. So this task says I need to move the little guy down here forward to step on the pressure plate, which if you've played Minecraft before, you should be familiar with, and then that will open the door, and then I use these arrows then to move my Steve character through the environment. So if we click OK for now, so if I drag move forward and then click run, you should see this guy move forward, the door opens, and then I use these arrow keys to get my Steve character to collect the chest. So you can move in any direction you want, there's no limit on where you go. So I'll move down again, and then there, and there we are. So that's completed. Again, I think there's around 10 challenges here. So at the end, I believe you can get another certificate. So you know, if you want to complete these as well as the other voyage one, then you'll have 3 certificates with your name on. And if you want to take them into schools and stuff, you know, I'm sure they'd be proud of what you've done on this code.org website. So hopefully now this video has been a bit helpful to show you what the Minecraft Hour of Code tutorials have to show and what they've got on offer. All these are free, you don't need any account to sign into or anything, but at the end each one gives you certificates, so that's really rewarding, really cool way of showing off, you know, to your friends or whoever what you've been able to do on here. So yeah, hopefully in an upcoming video in the next few weeks I'll be live at some point, so if you're able to share this video about, and just if you're interested in watching me maybe do one of these live or something, please let me know. And yeah, feel free to share this video around, and yeah, thanks for watching.